What's good, you guys? It's your boy Seiko, and today we have some parts for the vet. As you can hear, Kobe's already getting started on it, and I know y'all miss seeing his boy bad self. Say what's up to the vlog. He love to act up when the camera get on him, but so I'm gonna show y'all the parts that I got for the vet. All right, bam. We got you a wicker build, and the front lip, and some diffuser fins. These things, I know y'all really probably don't care too tough about them, but when they on the car, you'll see the difference. But yeah, and all I need after that is, I want to say side skirts and yeah, grill. This grill is gonna go. So yeah, I was gonna wait till my warranty to do anything, but I was like, why wait? I can go ahead and just start it, because at the end of the day, I mean, I bought it for a reason. So why not mod it? Plus, it's really nothing much that can go wrong with this car besides, like a motor, which I'm not tripping about that because I have something planned for that in the future. And I feel like that really be about it. I want to go wide body, but that be in the future. Right now, I just deal with the Stingray body and probably do new emblems, delete the Stingray emblem. Probably won't do that in this video. I'll do that like another time once I get my side skirts, front grill. The front grill is gonna be a Z06 grill, like I said, and maybe another hood. But for now, I'm just doing the basics, taking it time by time. It's basically like a start over from my, like when I had my Z. So yeah. But as far as that, we're gonna get right into it. We're gonna try to see if we can get this wicker build on first, and the fins. We're gonna try to take this back bumper off. We already took the little trim out. This trim piece right here, in order for us to get to those 10 bolts, 10 star bolts. So yeah. Then once I do that, I'll pop these out, the bezels, all that. And yeah, I would explain everything how to do it, but hey, I'm not finna do all that. It's a video for that. So right now we're just gonna get right to it. Alright, you guys, that's how the wicker build look. This is a template. Got my old thing off, my old wing off, my old spoiler, and it had nothing but tape on it. So I was lucky to even have that on there. So now I got something that can screw down. I have to make my holes. But how y'all think about that? How you think that looks? Comment down below what y'all think about it. But I'm gonna probably get ready to take this whole back bumper off and move my tail lights so I can make a template of where I need to drill, and we'll go from there. And this right here will be finished, and maybe I'm gonna see about these fins too as well. The fins shouldn't be as bad too. So yeah, we're getting there. All right, guys, that's the progress so far. This is my first time actually doing this, so that's why I didn't want to explain it to y'all. But it's basically had a bunch of star fittings that or star screws, I should say. And yeah, and my wing wasn't held down by no screws, it held on by glue. So now I'm gonna have to drill into this bumper, which I don't mind doing. I'm gonna tape it off, clean up real good, and tape it off with some masking tape and mark wherever it needs to be drilled at, and go from there. And that should be it for this section. And I guess we'll go to the fins, maybe. It depends, because now I'm waiting on Kobe to go get the drill and everything, and once he gets that, this thing be back and rolling. So what I'm gonna do for now, while he's gone, clean this up, wipe this down with alcohol, and yeah, and we'll pick it back up. All right, you guys, we done got everything drilled, and it lines in perfect. But the thing is, I have to put pressure on this right here, simply because it has two layers of plastic, and that will cause it to kind of be tough when you take it up. So other than that, I mean, it's ready to go. It's good to go. And boom, there's it. That's all it took. Now this can go, and we can install the wing. Right now we'll get ready to wash it, and I'm gonna show y'all how it looked. How it turned out. It looked really good. I took it out last night just to the gas station right up the street, and then I couldn't really get too much view, or really not view, much angles for y'all because there was too many people at the gas station. So I'll just bring y'all back along the next day. I'm gonna wash it up first, and if anything, then show y'all. So yeah. All right, so this is how it turned out. Let me know, comment down below what y'all think about it. Honestly, this is like, I don't care, looks good to me right now. Cause in the future, I'm gonna probably go wide body. But like I said, right now I'm not too worried about it. But this is like temporary. And that grill, trust me, I'm gonna get rid of that too. So yeah. But for the most part, it actually like suits the car. And all I'm missing right now is front grille and side skirts. So right now, that's literally all I have left to do. But as far as like everything's pretty simple, pretty straightforward. So yeah. But yeah, you guys, it's the first, I guess you could say, little mods I've done to the car besides engine mods. So yeah, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, comment down below what you think I should work on. And I'll see y'all pretty soon. I'm pretty sure I will see y'all soon, because I may have some action here soon, probably like in a month or two. So yeah, guess I'll catch y'all in the next one.